if you want to put or indicate stepping stones in your design, it's best to draw them with a polyline. So it's draw, polyline. Let's zoom in on near some existing stepping stones and just click, move to the next point, the next point, the next point there, and right click and pick closed. So there's a stepping stone. You could right click and pop up the box here, and you could say it's a filled stepping stone and unselect all. So there we've drawn a stone. If we want a more rounded appearance to it, go over here and make the fit type quadratic B-spline and unselect all. So now you have a stepping stone that could be copied, of course. So, but before we copy it, we'll pick it and we'll change its colour. And we click up in here, and you can see I'm using the properties box to change colour. So let's have a sort of sandy colour. Maybe something like colour 40, and we'll right click and unselect all. There we have a stepping stone. Let's pick it again. You can also, if you want to, say it has a border. And what that will do is draw a line around and define the stepping stone a little more easily. So it'll have a line around the outside. If we look at the properties box again, border colour, we really want to set that to a darker colour, and I can't do that just at the moment, but nonetheless we have a stepping stone. So now we could copy it from there to there to there. You can also edit it because it's a polyline and just change its shape a little, click on one of the vertices and move it into a new position. So someone might be moving through there, and can you see you can have different styles of stones. So here in this drawing I've got lots of examples of that. Here's a path wandering through there, a very informal path. Here's a group of 3 stepping stones, but they're all made with polylines. Most of the ones in here are not filled. So that's one way of showing stepping stones in the Garden Cat environment. What I have done, so that you can see this a little better in the movie, is I have picked information and options here, and I've clicked on colour palette, and I've made my colour palette white. So I now want to change back to the default colour palette. I'll say no to that and close there and OK here, and now we're back with a black background. When you move into the pages space and lay a final finish drawing out, the background will be white.